Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 After Effects presets and templates that will save you tons of time in your editing process. But before coming to the video, shout out to Envato Elements for being a sponsor of this video. As a creator, finding the right resources can be tough, but Envato Elements makes it simple. It's have been my secret sauce for years, which I have used for creating number of various effects, already uploaded on my YouTube channel, giving me access to over 20 million assets, all for just $16.50 per month with the annual plan. That's a 40% savings. Whether you need stock videos, photos, music, sound effects, templates, or fonts, Envato has it all to bring your ideas to life. If you want to unlock unlimited downloads and take your videos to the next level, Envato Elements is the way to go. Let's get started. Starting with our presets list, the first preset is Glitch Transition. Glitch transitions create a digital distortion effect between scenes or clips. They mimic a glitch or TV static look, adding a modern, edgy feel to video edits. To use glitch transition presets from Envato Elements in After Effects, start by downloading the transition pack from the Envato Elements website, or you can simply check the download link in the description. After downloading, open your After Effects project and double-click on the project panel to import the glitch transition project file. It is usually in AEP format. Once imported, navigate to the project folder. After selecting a transition, drag and drop it into your timeline between two clips where you want the transition to occur. Additionally, try experimenting with blending modes such as add or screened to help the transition blend better with your footage. After making your adjustments, preview the transition to ensure it flows smoothly, then render and export your final composition. Glitch transitions can add dynamic energy to your edits, so use them thoughtfully to enhance specific moments without overwhelming the viewer. 2. Text animation. Coming on to our next preset, text animation presets are ready-made animations for text in After Effects. They provide quick effects like fades, slides, and bounces, and can be easily customized for different projects. To use text animation presets from Envato Elements in After Effects, first, download the desired text animation preset pack from the Envato Elements website, or you can simply check the download link in the description. Once downloaded, open your After Effects project and import the AEP file. After importing, locate the text animation preset in your project panel. To apply the text animation, simply drag and drop the animation template onto your timeline. Once the animation is in place, you can easily customize it by changing the text content, font, size, color, and other properties to match your project's branding or style. After you're satisfied with the look and timing, preview the animation to make sure it aligns well with your footage. Finally, render and export your composition to finalize your project. These text animation presets from Envato Elements provide a quick and easy way to add professional-looking animated text to your videos with minimal effort. 3. Openers. Jumping to our third preset, the openers. This versatile template is designed to help you create stunning intro animations for any project, whether it's for a YouTube video, a corporate presentation, or a personal creative piece. With easy-to-use placeholders and intuitive controls, you can quickly customize text, images, and colors to make it your own. Again, start by downloading the Opener preset pack from the Envato Elements website, or you can simply check the download link in the description. Once downloaded, open your After Effects project file, usually in AEP format. These Opener presets typically include placeholders for text and images or video, so you can easily replace them with your own content. Customize the text, font, color, and other elements as needed to match your branding or style. Many Opener presets also allow you to adjust animation properties, such as timing, speed, and transitions. After applying the changes and ensuring the opener flows seamlessly with your footage, preview the composition. 4. Logo Reveal. The fourth preset, which we're going to talk about, is Logo Reveal. Logo Reveal presets animate your logo with stylish effects, making it appear in a creative way. Adding a professional and dramatic touch to your video intro. Perfect for branding. To use logo reveal presets from Envato Elements in After Effects, repeat the steps by downloading the logo reveal template that suits your project, or you can simply check the download link in the description. Once downloaded, open your After Effects project. After the file is imported, locate the logo reveal template in your project. Most logo reveal presets have placeholders for your logo and tagline, so simply replace the placeholder assets with your own logo file and text. If the preset includes any pre-built visual effects, such as lighting or particle effects, you can further tweak those to fit your desired look. Once you've made all your customizations and are happy with how your logo reveal looks, preview the animation to ensure it aligns well with your video. The last preset, which I am going to show, is the Instagram Stories Pack. The Instagram Stories Pack offers pre-designed templates and animations for creating eye-catching and engaging Instagram stories. It includes various text, image, and video effects, making it easy to customize and share professional-looking stories quickly and effortlessly. To use Instagram Story Pack presets from Envato Elements in After Effects, start by downloading the Instagram Story template pack that you want to use, or you can simply check the download link in the description. Once downloaded, open your After Effects project. These templates often come with pre-designed elements like animated backgrounds, text placeholders, and graphic elements, so you can simply replace the placeholder text, images, or videos with your own content. As you can see, I am placing a pizza pic onto the template. Well, you can customize the text by changing the font, size, color, and content to match your branding. Many Instagram story templates also offer customizable animation properties such as transition effects, timing, and speed. If needed, you can further tweak the visuals, including the background colors or any preloaded animations, to better fit your style. Using Instagram Story Pack presets from Envato Elements allows you to quickly create polished and professional-looking stories with minimal effort, helping you enhance your social media presence. If you guys are interested in subscribe or like buttons, they have some pretty cool YouTube animations that you guys can download. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, everything that I've talked about is linked to in the description box below. Thanks to Envato Elements for being the sponsor of this video. If you want to learn these effects or presets in depth, comment tutorial, and we will create tutorials for these effects and presets in depth. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, or get professional editing services, and that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.